guys, welcome back in my world. Today I show you another Beyblade battle. This will be, if you see my new video, the ZYKLON ring. I'm gonna battle it. So, first off, I still keep the parts, but I changed it to my modified orbit drive. It's a plastic ball that has a hole in it. So, if it contacts to the hole, it can move around a little bit. And at the same time, we can balance. So, pretty sick. So, let's go. First opponent, ZYKLON. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. Oh, there they go. ZYKLON's attacking pretty good. Oh. Oh! Big hit. And who's gonna win? And that's 1.4. ZYKLON Lucifer. Okay. Next opponent will be Judgment Joker. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. Oh! Oh, big hit, big hit. Oh! ZYKLON survived it. Oh! It's a first! Well, 2 points for ZYKLON Lucifer. So, he won again. Pretty good. So, next will be Diabolos. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. Oh! There goes Diabolos. Attacking pretty hard on ZYKLON. Oh! I think it's too free spinning. That's why it has good stamina. And ZYKLON still wins. Okay. So my next opponent will be Longiness. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. Oh, big hits. That's a big, big hit, big hit, big hit, big hit. Oh. Those are big hits from Longiness. But the free spinning layer, nah, that won't do. Oh, ZYKLON won. Oh, so ZYKLON ring, pretty good. Won every, no losing even once. It's actually a pretty good ring. Sparking ring. So yeah, pretty good sparking ring. So I'm gonna battle it next to you're gonna be surprised by this. So yes, it's my own version of Wyvern. It's actually Hasbro Wyvern and has a frame and a 0 disc and the modified. I just make it different, turn it to this orbit. It looks pretty cooler. So this will be a boring battle if I battle them, but I'm still gonna do it. Let's go. Okay, let's go now. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. Oh, there they go. Well, yeah, it is a boring battle, just hitting each other. Not much. Because of the free spinning layers or ring. What? Yeah, of course, it's too heavy and pretty big. That's why. And it is just small and has kinda better stamina. It is actually kinda has better stamina. So yeah, that was the battle, guys. So I'm gonna be battling this next Beyblade episodes of mine. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And goodbye.